This video, I'm going to show you how to partially fulfill items in Shopify so that it doesn't mark the entire order as fulfilled in ShipHero. There's a few ways of doing this. If a product is something that we will never fulfill from the ShipLab warehouse, we can actually mark that product as a drop ship product within ShipHero so that you don't have to do this each time. But in the event that there are some products that maybe you do fulfill out of your own warehouse or somewhere else and within Shopify, then I'm going to show you how to basically fulfill one of these items to make sure that it doesn't impact the entire order. So I have a test order here. I've got 2 packs of diapers. One is a medium, one is a newborn. And then you can see this order here is imported into ShipHero. So this is, you can see it in here. In this specific case, you can see ready to ship, it says no, and we say why. Well, the reason being is that mediums are out of stock. So it's not gonna release this order to ship. But let's say we had those products at our own warehouse, right, or another warehouse or our office or whatever. What we can do is in Shopify, if we see this order, we can go up to more actions, and you can see all our different options here. If we did want to cancel, create a new one, print packing slips, all of our status stuff is here. But you can also just hit fulfill items. And what that's going to do is mark the item as fulfilled. So I'm going to say that this medium one is the one we're shipping, and then the newborn is not. So we're actually going to turn that one to 0. And then from here, if we want to put in tracking numbers, we can. You can also send the shipping details to the customer there. So again, this is going to say the medium is going to be fulfilled, the newborn is not, because we still need ShipLab to ship that item out. So we're going to click fulfill items. Okay, so now you'll see here it says partially fulfilled, and then that should sync through over to ShipHero. So then if we refresh this here, sometimes it takes a little bit. You can see here now it's saying that the medium is fulfilled and we still need to ship out this newborn. And the nice thing about doing this, if we click no, so this was probably going to get reset in a little bit. It takes a little bit to delay. But you can see here, this is already showing it's fulfilled. We have the same order number, so we don't have to create new orders or anything like that. And then when the team goes to pick this order, it's just going to say, here is the pack of newborn diapers, and we will just ship out that one item because it knows that this has already been fulfilled because it's marked in Shopify. And by doing this, it keeps everything very consistent, and then we don't have to have all this communication back and forth. It's all be done on here, and the team won't know any different. They'll see that one item is fulfilled, and if we go down in the history, we can see that it was changed by Shopify from the quantity from 1 to 0, and that's all set there, which is really nice. So this is really makes it much easier if you need to ship something out from your own warehouse, from your office, etc., but we still need to ship an item, then you could always fulfill the items. It's just really important that when you do click fulfill, you're selecting just one item and not selecting both. If you do select both, then you're going to have to redo the order because it's going to mark both items as fulfilled, and then we'll have to deal with that in the ShipHero side to reship an order, and that requires a lot more back and forth. So yeah, hopefully this will help make it a little bit more automated so that you can do this ship out items on your own and save everyone some time. Thanks.